And welcome to another forensics day on admin of cyber here on TryHackMe. Now, I apologize for some of the things already filled out. You know, the server crashed on me and I just didn't want to reset it, but I'm going to show you exactly how I found these different kind of answers, and it's kind of straightforward. Now, the first things first is you're going to use the program called FTK Imager, and that is a program you can use to open up any evidence file like a virtual exported drive or just a physical drive. Go ahead and click the button physical drive, press next and pick number 2, which is the one that I have opened already. First of all, do not open with a red cross. Anything with a red cross means it's been deleted. And you see the thing here called secret chat, and what you see in the first, like just finalizing the malware C2 server, and it's going to give you the first answer, which is the domain name for what is the malware C2 server, and the server is right there. Which files inside the deleted zip archive? Now you can go ahead and check out, there's a zip archive right there called Juicy Thomas Toy, Tomatoy, which is also the name of the file that we find inside the deleted because there's a red cross over it. Basically means that the file is still there, but the file table containing the actual location, that file table has no longer any record of that file, but we can still see it in FTK Imager because it's a program created to get data back. What flag is hidden inside of one of the deleted PNG files? Now we'll go one step back to the root folder, and you will see PNG files. I'm going to see the portrait file there and the wallpaper. Starting up with the portrait, you can go ahead and check out the hex view instead to get the hexadecimal version. Now, in order to write the correct signs, sometimes it can be difficult in this virtual machine box, so we're going to go ahead and copy paste. What I would like to search for is the TMH and the curly brackets. Let's go back and just press the cursor and start, Control F, paste it in, find, and you found no string. Also go ahead and try the same one for, for portrait. We have to spell it correctly. So we say Control F, TryHackMe, TryHackMe. Find one more time, and we actually find something right there, which is the flag. So we can just go ahead and copy paste that, copy text, paste it in, submit it. The last one, which is the easy one, which is SHA-1 hash, is the physical drive. Well, you're just going to go ahead and pick up the physical drive, right click and verify disk image. And it's going to take some time. While that is happening, we can go ahead and complete this right there and go ahead and do the task if we'd like to do that. When this is done, we're going to get a hash, I'm going to paste it in, and we are golden. So that is really the room here on day 8. It's straightforward when you have a tool like FTK Imager. Which gives me a few more seconds to say that FTK Imager is a wonderful tool. I used it before to recover data from USB sticks. I created courses for my bachelor education back in the days I taught IT security at my school, 2017, 18, 19, and 2020. We created the course for that. It's a wonderful tool. Anyways, we are almost ready to see the answer. What is the actual SHA-1 hash? We're just waiting for the last. There we go. So if the SHA-1 hash right there, double click, paste it in, boom, you're done. That is the room. FTK Imager, really easy tools to use. Anyways, I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you again tomorrow for day 9. Have a nice day.